Dear our friends, this is Jerry from LittleAnt Tools. We are professional in produce TCT Saw Blade and diamond saw blade in China. We want to introduce some hot selling size TCT saw blade to you today. Okay, let's see our first. This one is our 4-inch TCT saw blade. Now you can check this one. This one is our 7-inch TCT saw blade. This one is our 10-inch TCT saw blade. This one is our 12-inch TCT saw blade. I guess all friends know TCT saw blade is mainly used for cutting wood and aluminum. After that, we want to introduce our big size diamond saw blade too. You can check this one. Yeah, this one is our 400 diamond saw blade used for marble. Our new product, this one. This one is our 350 diamond saw blade used for granite. Yeah, it's hot selling in our factory now. Yeah, you can see this one. This one is our 400 diamond saw blade used for corrected. Yeah, it's also hot selling in our factory now. So, if all friends need TCT saw blade and diamond saw blade, you can please feel free to contact me. Yeah, thank you.